Hello, guys. So today we're going to use this Christmas tree, and this DIY especially for someone that left me a comment saying that she's in a retirement home and she wants something small for me to do. So this one is just for her. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open up my Christmas tree. Then I'm going to take this garland that they have in Dollar Tree, and we're going to just attach it, just twist it around like that, just to attach it into place. And then we're going to just wrap it around the Christmas tree. So you're just gonna continue open the little branches like that. And then after you open the little branches, you're gonna take the thing and put it around there. So we're gonna continue doing this until we do the whole thing all the way to the bottom part like that, just to make it a little bit fuller like that. Then once you do that, I'm gonna take this cute little container they have in Dollar Tree and I'm gonna spray paint it in red. Then after that, I'm gonna take this floral foam, and this one is too big to put it all the way through it. So I'm just gonna take a knife and cut a whole piece off like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place it inside all the just push it down until it goes all the way in. Then after that, I'm gonna take my Christmas tree and place it on top right in the middle. And this is just to give me an idea of where I'm gonna put the Christmas tree. After that I marked it down, I'm gonna take my knife and I'm going to just take that piece off just to make a hole to put the Christmas tree. But just one won't be enough. You have to make it a little bit deeper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take another one part out, and it should be like this one that is a little bit deep inside. Then go ahead and put some hot glue. Make sure to put enough hot glue all the way around it and on top. Then go ahead and put your Christmas tree on top just like that until it attach into place. After that, we're gonna take the hot glue and place some hot glue on top, and the pieces that we took out, we're gonna place it on top just to attach it into place. And we're gonna do the back and the front. We're gonna do the same thing we did. Then after that, I'm gonna take this little greenery and I'm gonna place at the bottom part just not to show the floral foam part. Then after that, I'm gonna take from a branch of flowers. I'm gonna take these little branches. You could take any string that you guys have. I'm gonna take the Christmas ball, the small one from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna place it inside the little branches like this. And here you don't have to use this. You can use the string or whatever you have. Then I'm gonna continue and place like red balls. This one you could do whatever color that you guys were doing or you would like. I'm doing gold. I'm gonna take this owl and place it on top, but I'm also going to use another different ways that you guys can do it without the owl. Then I'm gonna take this belt and I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue and attach it to the Christmas tree like that. And basically, what I'm doing right now is just filling it up with Christmas ball and putting some gold and some red. Like I said, you could choose different color that you guys would like to do. And then I'm just gonna continue doing that until I do the whole thing on the Christmas tree. Okay, so the next step, once you fill up the whole tree that you are happy, you could also put some flour in it. And here I'm gonna show you two different ways that you could do it with the reindeer, or you could do with the owl, or you could do without it. Then I'm gonna take one of these Christmas light, and I'm just gonna place it inside the can, and then just wrap it around. And here I'm only did I use one, I used two light, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is the simplest look. This is just the Christmas bulb and a little branch on top, just to make it super cute and simple. Now you can do this one with a flower and with the reindeer on top, which I think is super cute. This one is if you want to add up more stuff to it. And now this one is with the owl. I'm giving you a different choice, you guys. You decide which one should be your favorite. And then right here is the one without the flowers. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.